Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Brings Joy Homeschool. If you're new to my channel, I am Farida Bakshi Musa and I have been homeschooling my girls for the past 2 years. I am also a high school Waldorf teacher. I've been a professor here in California for the past 9 years. And a little secret, I wanted to homeschool my kids even before they were born. So you can understand how much I love homeschooling them. So today's topic is something that I'm sure most of you homeschooling parents have come across. And for those of you who do not homeschool or do not know much about homeschooling, have perhaps probably out of good intention asked this to homeschooling friends. So let's get started. Let's face it, whenever we mention homeschooling and that we choose to homeschool our kids, there's always this little stereotype associated with homeschooling, which is, what about your kids' socialization? Because school is the only place where they can learn to socialize, right? That's something most people who do not know much about homeschooling would say to a homeschool family. There's that question that follows about socialization. I would say it's not much of a question, but an assumption that kids who are home educated aren't properly socialized. So for that, I would like to touch on two things. One is what research has to say about social skills of homeschool kids, and the other is what I have to say from my experience as a teacher and a homeschool mom who's seen other homeschool kids and who's seen children from various other institutions and schools. So let's begin with what research has to say, and I am going to talk about a website, National Home Educational Research Institute, which says that homeschool students participated in more activities than children attending conventional school, and that homeschool children actively participated in various forms of community activities, from organized scouts, sports, volunteer and paid work, church activities, and a whole variety of community offerings, from dance and visual arts to hobby related groups. Furthermore, as adults, homeschool children are active participants in civic life, being more likely to work for political candidates or causes, attend public meetings, participate in protests or boycotts, vote in elections, and contribute money to political candidates than the general population. I'm going to link this website in the description box. That's the website too. And now let's talk about what I usually tell people when they ask this question out of well-intention and concern, that what about my kids' socialization? And to that, I always ask them, what do you mean by the term socialization? And they would say that when by socialization it means that kids don't act indifferent with their peers or with their friends. They don't get uncomfortable and awkward, and they fit in well with a group of people that they meet every day. Now, I would say that that kind of assumption is not the best definition for socialization. Why would I say that? Because I teach at schools and I have seen students who are not homeschooled, but they still do not want to fit in, or they still do not want to interact with their peers, and they still want to be by themselves, and they come to proper school and have always been schooled. And then I also see homeschool children who've been homeschooled in middle school, and they come to high schools and I teach them, where they're perfectly normal and they talk to everyone and they've done all sorts of normal things like other children. So that's my experience there. So I would like to introduce the idea of socialization to a deeper level. Safe to say that characteristics such as conflict resolution, appropriate behavior, sensitivity and tolerance is associated often with someone who has good social skills. And isn't that something that we all parents want to teach our kids, whether we choose to homeschool them or not? That's irrespective. We all want our kids to have good behavior, be good humans, be good people to the society. So when people suggest that homeschool kids are not well socialized as compared to public school counterparts, they are basically saying that the best environment for a child to learn conflict resolution, appropriate behavior, and all this is a place where they can surround themselves with other kids. So I want you all to pause for a moment and think that you say that kids interacting with other inexperienced kids, relatively immature kids, interacting with them is what will make them learn social skills. That's something that I do not agree to. Wouldn't it be far more reasonable that skills can be taught and exemplified by adults who presumably have already mastered social skills and they know how to interact with people? So then you could tell me that, okay, adults, you could teach your children good social skills, you're always with them, but where would they practice it? They don't go to school to interact with other people, to encourage them to practice these social skills that you've taught them. Good question. But homeschooling is not what one or two people do. So many people in the US, millions of people are doing homeschooling. There are so many homeschooling groups. My kids, other homeschool kids go for sports, they go for volunteer work, they join Girl Scout, Boy Scouts, where they're meeting other children. They are interacting, they are practicing all those good social skills that they've learned from their parents or from their one-on-one educator. So actually, when it comes to socialization, I believe that homeschool kids would have a distinct advantage. Firstly, because social skills are taught one-on-one from presumably a parent. Secondly, they have more opportunities to develop their social skills because they interact with so many more people in different environments. And finally, their behavior can be monitored more closely, but the parents can quickly correct them if their kids have made a mistake. And this kind of direct and immediate feedback very rarely happens in school where there are so many students. Of course, teachers would correct them for unacceptable behavior, for sure. Of course, they do that. There are wonderful teachers out there. But all these small things, there's a high chance that a teacher might look through them because there's so many children. And how am I suggesting that kids who go to regular schools, attend public, private schools, they lack in any social skills? No, they're great children. I love all my high school kids and all the children that I've taught and still teach. They're great. And I interact with kids all the time. I just personally feel that positive social skills are best taught by parents, right? Regardless whether the kids are homeschooled or not. So when next time when you meet a homeschool family, think about what I said, that no, homeschool kids are not unsocialized, they're not weird. Of course, as a parent, you have to take the effort of teaching them and then taking them outside, and everyone does that now. It's so much opportunity out there with so many homeschool groups, so many Facebook homeschool groups. We're always meeting other kids, and we're always taking our kids to different environments, making them meet different people from all ages, all hours, and all walks of life. So no, my kids are not weird. No, they're not going to be unsocialized. No, when they go to high school, they're not going to be weirdos. They're going to be probably more socialized, or probably as equally socialized as the kids who go to school. So guys, I hope I didn't mean to offend anyone here. I am a teacher myself. I go to teach students, so I'm just talking about experience as a homeschool parent and as a teacher. You do you, whatever suits your family, whatever works for you. But this is a question that I wanted to address, because this is something that most homeschool parents aren't very comfortable answering or justifying. things like socialization. But you guys, I really wanted you all to know that yes, homeschool kids are socialized, and you think twice before asking this question to a homeschool parent, because of course they're concerned about it and they want to give the best, and that's why they've selected to homeschool their children, right? So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, and until next time, bye bye.